this is Karen. We're back in the kitchen again, and I would love to show you how to do a Watergate salad. Okay, so this is something that is has a green tint to it, so it'd be something good to do for St. Patrick's Day with your family. It calls for 4 different ingredients, and I'm going to go over the ingredients with you. We have a vanilla yogurt, then we have crushed pineapple, we have a box of the Jell-O pistachio pudding, and then we have a Cool Whip that we're going to mix in. So what you'll need for your utensils is you'll need a bowl, you will need a spoon and a spatula, you will need cups. So you're going to need 4 cups to do your measuring in, okay? Because you're going to need a cup of the yogurt, you're going to need a cup of the crushed pineapple, and then you're going to need 2 cups of the Cool Whip, okay? This is something very, very simple, something quick to do, and it's very cool and refreshing to, I know we have spring coming up, which, yay, I love spring. So it's something very, very good to do for spring, a spring treat for you. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we are going to mix our yogurt into our bowl, and it works best if you use a spatula. That way you can get all the yogurt out and you're not wasting any. So we're just going to put our yogurt into the bowl, and like I said, this is something very quick, very easy to do. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to fold our crushed pineapple. Now, there is juice in here, and you do not want to drain the juice. You want to keep the juice, okay? So we're going to put our crushed pineapple in here, juice and all. Okay, then we're going to take our package of our Jell-O pistachio. Now this is pistachio flavored, and this is also going to give you your green tint. And we're just going to stir this in. Pour that in, then we're going to stir it all together in just a few minutes. Okay, now we have our cups of our Cool Whip. We're going to whip in here. And if you notice what I mean when I say it's good to use a spatula, because once you get it, it gets everything out real easily. Okay. And then now all we want to do is we're going to gently fold everything in here together. And this is something that I don't know if you can tell, but you can see the green tint already starting. And that's from our pistachio instant pudding. And you just want to gently fold all the ingredients in. And then you will have a little bit left over in your Cool Whip container. And then once we put it in a cup, you can also top it off with a little dollop of Cool Whip on top. But you can see it's already ready. Now what you want to do is you do want to refrigerate this for an hour before you serve it, just to get it good and chilled. And this is something, like I said, that's really good. This is a low-fat recipe, but the nice thing about this is it doesn't taste low-fat, which is what I like. All right, and that is it. You have a light green tint to it, and then you will just put it in a bowl or a little container for yourself, and a little dollop of the Cool Whip on top, and that's it. Okay, thank you very much. Be sure to check out your library for any recipes and cookbooks to check out.